Hello, 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 hello. We are here, and today we will, you know, test out cable in ABL, and let's just get to high graphics because I need me that graphics, graphic, and let's just change the striker to Ghosty because yeah, Ghosty is the one I need. Need me that Ghosty, the rider of Ghost. Let's just get it done. I, you know, already scored, but I need me views, so that's why I'm making this video. And for the rotation, I am not a professional, not anything. I am just playing as fun as I want to. If you want to score high, you can look up to other channels like F2P Adventures, but not for me. I don't. I don't want to really. Okay, okay, come here, come here, come here. Yep, 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 yep. Okay, 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 that's fine. Oh, that was bullshit, couple bullshit. But let's just try again. I forgot I had to cancel his tier 3 pretty quickly, or he will jump way far back. And that's not what I need me. Okay, I missed the top completely. Okay, okay, he ran. नीचे था बट इधर बैटरी था नीचे था Okay, come here, come here, come here, come here. Okay, he's running like a bitch. Okay, okay, okay. ये था. Let's see if I can read the score. Okay, 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 okay. Yep, 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 yep. That. Yep, 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 yep. It goes. Why wasn't he, moving? Yeah, that's the bug. That is the bug. A pretty huge one. Okay, the light is here. Why am I not able to, see the problem? Yep, 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 yep. Okay, the clock activated. I don't know why. For some reason, they activated like a. Let's not say that. Yes. Scored me some 5 million. What? How the hell I missed the clock? There's no office space skin. What is the title? I really need to see that. Yep, yep, yep. That was a pretty big video to have. Okay, 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 okay. 46 million. Okay, I was I could have beaten the score, but that was spinning. But this still who managed to get 6.3. So yeah, this day is set. Yeah, this day is set for me. 6.3. I could have beaten the score if I, didn't mess up that. But will score more. Let's just do this. I will score more. And let's just show you my rankings. I don't have my TCTVs of Rage. And tomorrow is okay, it's Combat Villain. Okay. Dr. Octopus scores 12 million for me. For me, specifically me. And she gets about 5.3 million. Yeah. Spider-Gwen gets about 5.3 million. I got 10.7 because I had to use She-Hulk as a striker because she is the one pro that provides silence on his sports skin, and not other Justice characters have silence, so I had to use her. I didn't want to, but yeah, that's the situation we are in. Okay, I don't want to use her, but we will switch that. So fuck that. Bye bye.